Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz, your jewelry professional, and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In this video series, I am using different Posalux tools, and today I will combine CNC machine to open a stone place on the ring and then finish with my Posalux tool in that Bulunmaz Lathe Machine. I'm with Ringmaker CNC machine. I just set my ring there and I choose the stone place model designed to engrave this stone place on the wedding ring. All is ready to start, so I have all the settings and I'm starting my machine. That will take a while because I will cover all around the ring. I will open stone place. Ringmaker CNC machine is an easy, low-cost, it's a practical solution to make different engravings on wedding bands, bangles. So you can have a look at our YouTube page. You will find many other videos about Ringmaker. Ringmaker completed the process. I trust Ringmaker and never lost my trust, always finish the process. So my ring is ready. Ringmaker completed the stone place, so it's ready for the next process. I'm jumping to lathe machine and I will make a 2mm, 4mm, 4-line diamond tool, Posalux tool on the other side of the ring. I set my 2mm 4-line Posalux tools on the lathe machine. The settings are done, it's ready to start. I put my ring, so all I should do is start, and that's also a quick process. As you know, lathe machine has just turning and retouch with the Posalux tool. So it will take a few seconds. I completed the 2mm 4-line cut. Now I'm going to the last process to clean the sides of the ring. I set my concave tool 1.5mm, that's for I'm using almost all my lathe videos for the left and right side, each side of the ring. That's also a few seconds to make it. I completed 3 processes on my wedding ring. First process was Ringmaker diamond, Ringmaker CNC machine for the stone place preparation. The second process is a line tool. I put a line design with 2mm 4-line tool. That was my main tool for that video. 2 is the millimeter of the diamond, 2mm. 4L is the how many lines on the tool. 2mm 4-line, it means each line has approximately 0.5mm size, so there are a total of 4 lines. And of course it's a Bulunmaz tool. And my last tool was 1.5mm concave tool to clean sides of the ring, as you see in almost all videos. My ring is ready in terms of model, so now I will send it to my friend to outsource it for the stone setting and for the rhodium plating and for finishing. Then my ring will be ready to be sold. Here again, the left and right side of my ring with concave tool. The stone setting I made with Ringmaker jewelry CNC, and the last part 2mm 4-line tool. My ring is back from polishing, rhodium plating. I plated in 2 colors, red and white, and finally the stone setting process. Now it looks totally different than what I did. Here you see 3 levels with concave tool, with the lining tool and the stone setting. I also put the stones, and you see my ring in 2 colors, red in the center, like red gold, but it's rhodium plating, and then white color in the main parts, it's also a rhodium plating. You watched another video of my Posalux Tool series. I don't just show you Posalux tools, but I combine with different machines, different tools. As you know, today I combined my ring with Ringmaker CNC machine for the stone setting. I hope that video was interesting for you. If you have questions, if you wanna see more different ring models, just comment on this video or just contact us. I will try to make as many models as possible. Thank you very much for your time. See you again in the next videos.